Learning good English or improving your English speaking skills is not at all difficult like you think it is, and I'm gonna prove it by the end of this video. Come on bro, it is just a language. Why do you struggle so much? So before really getting into this video, I have a question for you. Yes, you really enjoy watching movies, right? We all do. We all enjoy watching movies. That is all you need. You need to just watch movies. Sounds amazing, right? So that is what this video is going to be about. Learning or improving your English by watching English movies. So make sure you hit that subscribe button for new videos every now and then, because it motivates me a lot to make more and more videos just for you. And make sure you stay tuned till the end of this video, because I have a bonus tip for you. Before you start making efforts to improve your English, you must understand this thing. English is only a language, it is not a subject. Even if you go to Google and ask this question to it, it will give you a very abrupt answer that English is a universal language and not a subject. So why does this even matter? Right from your childhood, with all other subjects like maths, physics, chemistry, biology and all other stuff, English was also taught to you like a subject but not a language. You know what? This is actually wrong. But unfortunately, that is how our education system is designed. If you see English as a subject, it would be really difficult for you. But on the other side, if you view English as a language, it will make the process more easy for you. Okay, just like I said before, English is a universal language, which means it is spoken all over the world in different places and not just in one place. And as a result, different people may have different styles of speaking English. The difference would not be in the language, but the style or accent of speaking. For example, an American English would be different, a British English would be different, and an Australian English would be totally different.
Water.
Water. Water.
So if you're a person who starts to improve your language skills, that is your English skills, like you won't straight away understand what is told in an American movie or in an Australian movie.
It doesn't matter who we are. What matters is our plan.
Because the accent would be so different. You would understand barely what they are saying, but not exactly. But on the other side, you would easily understand what I am speaking right now, because you and me are from the same country, which is India. So I have an Indian accent and which is easily understandable to you. So what do you understand from this? It is really simple. Start watching movies and documentaries in English which are in the Indian accent, which would be a very beneficial thing for you. Just for the sake of learning English, you need not watch all the English movies out there. You would definitely have your set of preferences to watch a movie, right? For example, I like action and thriller films. You may like comedy, drama, romance, and all those things. So why am I asking you to do this? It is because of three things. Number one, you would enjoy the movie. Number two, you would watch the movie with more involvement as it was your preference. And finally, you would make a lot of efforts to understand what is being shown and told in the movie. And as a result, what is gonna happen? Guess what? The language is also gonna get into your head. Sounds great, right? For example, I am a fan of Vijay, and I've already watched 90% of all his movies. And on the other side, when it comes to English movies, I'm a fan of Tom Hardy, Wayne Johnson, Tom Holland, and a lot more people. So the point over here is that if you become a fan of someone, won't you try to be like them, make them as your role model, copy them, and be inspired by them? You will, right? And on the other side, whatever they speak is also gonna get into your head. Like for example, if Vijay speaks a particular dialogue in his movie, won't that be registered in your head? And you would start using in your actual conversation as well. And guess what? The language is also gonna get into your head if you become a good fan of someone. So every single one of you would have a professional goal, right? So some of you would want to become lawyers, doctors, teachers, artists, and so on. So one of the ways by which you can make your English learning process more simple is to watch movies related to your profession itself. Like for example, if you want to become a lawyer, you can watch movies like Legally Blonde, Liar Liar. And if you want to go into business, you can watch Margin Call, Wolf on Wall Street. And if you have interest in sports, you can watch movies like Goal, Pele, The Birth of a Legend. And there are so much option for you. Linking your profession with movies is a great advantage, and it also makes the process more interesting and simple. Okay guys, if you're still watching this video, you are completely amazing, because it is time for the bonus tip. So as far as the bonus tip is concerned, it is not actually related to watching movies exactly. Not watching movies. Movies, the keyword here is movies. So from my personal experience, how did I improve my English? I used to watch a lot of cartoons in English, because cartoons are made pretty much for kids, right? And cartoons are also the place where language is very simple. A person cannot be without understanding language in a cartoon. The language is very simple, it is made easy to understand, and you can also improve all your skills related to speaking English. Alright guys, it is time for a small recap. So before you start making efforts to learn or improve your English, remember that it is a language and not a subject. Start from your own culture. What you can do is that start watching movies and documentaries related to English in the Indian accent. Follow your interest. Just for the sake of learning English, you need not watch all the English movies out there. Just follow your preferences and it would be more fun. Become a fan of someone. If you become a fan of someone, you would try to be like them, follow them, copy them, and be inspired by them. And as a result, whatever they speak is also gonna get into your head. Connect movies with your profession. Linking your profession with movies is gonna be a great advantage, and it is also gonna make the process more interesting and easy. And finally, the bonus tip, watch English cartoons, because that is where the language is very simple. So I hope that this video is very useful. Let me know in the comment section which was your favorite tip related to learning or improving your English. So that's it for today guys. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, chat with your friends and family, and drop your comments down below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for new videos every now and then, because it motivates me a lot to make more and more videos just for you. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing.